Okay, Mopar fans, we are gathered here today to do a trio of really nice Mopars here. Beginning out is the 71 Dodge Demon 340 H code. Car came originally from Arizona, and Joe brought it up today because we were having some Mopars gathering here, and this is a real deal 71 H code Dodge Demon, the original Dodge Demon. Got the correct factory high performance manifolds, correct orange, correct air cleaner, power front disc brakes. You gotta like those options. Oh, look, it's a bucket seat interior. Column shift automatic with rally dash. How about that? 71 Demon was the only year that got the rally dash. And then later, they got the square dash. But in any event, sitting next to this one, next up is a factory PP1 red 68 Dodge Dart 383 4-speed big block car. It's got a build sheet documented, console shifted inland shifter with that crazy 68 dash, and you can see the lower padding. That's where people kept all their smokes and everything else they carried with them. And then on the back is a copy of the build sheet. So taking a look here, you got that beautiful 71 Demon. You got the 68 Dart 383 4-speed. Stock, real good condition, factory car. And then rounding it out is a drop dead gorgeous 1970 Duster 4-speed with factory AC. An amazingly rare car. And look at the condition on this. Somebody really restored this car nicely. This was the debut year for the Duster 340, and this one's in vitamin C orange. A very nice shade. And look at that. It's got air with a 4-speed hammer. You can't beat it, folks. In this wonderful color. You got manual disc brakes on it. Very nicely prepared. Nice paint job. Look at that, original quarters on it. Boy, this is a nice car. Anyway, we got 3 nice Mopars in a row. So there you go, Mopar fans. Hi. So at this end of the car show, we got Mopar Row, and there you go. God's Garage, thank you much.